Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2 of this video about beef biryani at home, let us continue learning how to perfect your biryani cooking technique. Whole spices give beef biryani its signature perfume. Keep it basic. Cumin seeds, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, bay leaf. For ground spices, you do not need a complex blend. A steady approach is garam masala, chili powder, turmeric. Garam masala goes in near the end of the masala cook so it smells fresh instead of dusty. Yogurt does two jobs. First, it tenderizes. Second, it adds gentle tang that balances rich beef. If you are dairy-free, use lemon juice. Start with 1 to 2 tablespoons or an unsweetened plant yogurt. How to cook beef biryani step by step without mushy rice or tough meat. Biryani goes wrong when either the beef is not tender yet, or the rice gets fully cooked before steaming. Fix those two things, and the rest feels easy. You will cook the beef masala until it is thick and fragrant, parboil the rice, then layer and steam on low heat. Keep the pot covered, and do not rush the rest time at the end. Make the beef masala first, then cook the rice for perfect layers. Brown the onions. Slice onions thin. Cook them in oil or ghee over medium heat until deep golden. Stir often near the end. Build the base. Add ginger garlic paste and cook 30 to 60 seconds. Then add whole spices and stir until fragrant. Brown the beef. Add beef pieces and sear them well. This step adds depth, so do not crowd the pot. Spice and simmer. Add salt, chili powder, turmeric and yogurt or lemon. Stir well, then add a small splash of water. Cover and simmer until the beef is tender or almost tender, and the masala looks thick, not soupy. Parboil the basmati. In a separate pot, boil plenty of water with salt and a bay leaf if you want. Add soaked, drained rice and cook until about 70% done. Visual cues for 70%. The grain looks longer, but the center is still slightly firm. When you press a grain, it breaks with a bit of resistance. The rice tastes underdone, yet not raw or chalky. Drain the rice right away so it does not keep cooking in hot water. If the beef masala looks watery, reduce it uncovered for a few minutes before layering. Wet masala is the fastest route to soggy biryani. Layer, steam, and rest, the simple finish that makes it taste like biryani. Now you will assemble the pot like a lasagna, but with rice and masala. Spread a thin layer of rice at the bottom. Add all the beef masala next. Top with the remaining rice. Sprinkle chopped cilantro, mint, and a few fried onions if you have them. For color and aroma, drizzle saffron milk or warm water tinted with a pinch of turmeric. Seal the pot tightly. A snug lid is enough, or place foil under the lid to trap steam. Cook on the lowest heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Then turn off the heat and let it rest, covered, for 10 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.